Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on a computer. First, you'll need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics an Android device on your PC. There are several excellent options available, such as BlueStacks, Nox Player, or LD Player. Head over to the official website of your preferred emulator and download the installer. The installation process is straightforward and usually takes just a few minutes to complete. Once the emulator is installed, launch it from your desktop. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account, which is essential for accessing the Google Play Store. After signing in, navigate to the Play Store within the emulator. Use the search bar to find Brawl Stars and then click Install. The game will download and install just as it would on a mobile device, typically taking a few moments depending on your internet speed. Now that Brawl Stars is installed, it's time to optimize your controls for a computer. Emulators come with built-in key mapping tools that let you assign keyboard keys to touch controls. You can set up keys for movement, basic attacks, and your character's super ability. Many players find it beneficial to use their mouse for aiming, providing greater precision than touch controls. Experiment with different layouts to find what feels most comfortable for your playstyle. To enhance your Brawl Stars experience on a computer, ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid lag. You can also adjust your emulator settings, such as allocating more RAM or CPU cores, to improve performance. Don't forget to practice with various brawlers to get a feel for their unique abilities and attack patterns. Playing on a larger screen with precise controls can give you a significant advantage in battles, making your gameplay more enjoyable and competitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.